These days, there's so many ways to make money online, but how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to make money using your skills and knowledge in 2025. Both Jared and Patrice are using their skill of writing to make their income online. Patrice was able to make over $30,000 in 6 months from when she learned copywriting. Kayla is making over $3,000 a month reoccurring, teaching other food bloggers how to blog. Mark is currently making more than $3,500 each month teaching kids how to get recruited to play D1 hockey. So, my question to you, has a friend ever called you asking for help? Maybe someone has come to you because you're great at party planning and they need to plan their daughter's sweet 16 birthday party. Just like Patrice and Jared that I mentioned before, you too can help people do something they're either not good at or don't have the time to do themselves. And the best part, you can get paid for it. This is actually most service-based businesses.
When I asked my friends and family on Facebook what they would be willing to pay me for, many of them told me they would pay me for a done-for-me service.
AKA a done-for-you service. An example of services that are done for you are things like lawn mowing, house cleaning, copywriting. One friend who's a musician actually told me he would pay me to book gigs for him. When I was a kid, I used to play an instrument. I started off playing the flute, and when I was in middle school, I switched to the euphonium. I was nowhere near the level that everyone else was at. They had been playing for years, and I had just started this instrument. One day, my band teacher said to me, "Heather, you're either going to have to take lessons or quit." Whoa, I was not ready to quit. I went home crying to my parents. I begged them and begged them to buy me lessons. Eventually, they paid a local high school student to teach me how to play the euphonium. That high schooler was then making money teaching me a skill he already had. Almost everyone has a skill, or actually, I believe everyone has a skill that someone else would like to have. If you can figure out which skill of yours that is, you can turn that into your own business, either online or in person. Have you ever hired a personal trainer? The trainer is offering what we call a done with you service. Whereas Patrice and Jared were doing the done for you service, this one you are working with somebody to achieve a common goal. Examples could be a nutritionist, a trainer, coaches, and consultants. If you have the know-how to help somebody achieve a desired result and are willing to do it with them, not teach them how to do it or do it for them, it's a combination group effort, then this could be a great opportunity for you for your online business. Now, Tim here, for example. Tim is a relationship coach. He's actually coaching men so they can get into a relationship. He's coaching them on how to talk to women, how to flirt, how to be more attractive so he is being chased instead of him constantly chasing her. Tim is working with his members and he is making more than $4,000 each month just helping them get into a relationship. Click the link below so you can turn your skills and knowledge into your business faster and without all the guesswork.